Namaskar. I am Dr. Meenakshi Soni, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Department of Homeopathic Laboratory. Today's my topic is the Hahnemannian concept of the disease and its importance in the repertory. Master Hahnemann has described a homeopathic physician in his various essays and his masterpiece Organ Anatomy Medicine. He was the first person to realize that the whole man is the sick and not the organ. Hence, he advocates a holistic approach while treating a person who is sick. In the medicine of experience, he has described the method of investigating a sick man and progressively unfolded in the editions of the Organon of the Medicine. Instruction about case taking by Dr. Hahnemann in his Organon of Medicine started from the aphorism number 84 to 104. Dr. Hahnemann has classified the disease into two ways. First is the acute disease. Acute disease described in aphorism number 72 and 73. Acute disease are those that is comes suddenly, rapid in progress, finish their course more or less quickly, duration of suffering is fixed and always moderate. Without medicine terminates of itself either in recovery or in death. If during acute cases the physician cannot ascertain what symptoms were present before the employment of the medicine, he must do the following. He must content himself with observing the present morbid condition, though it may be altered by medicines. He may at least form the complete picture of the disease in actual condition by thus tracing out the complete picture of the disease. He will be able to combat it with a suitable homeopathic medicines. For the individualization of the acute case, physician should have freedom from the prejudice, sound sense, attention in morning, attention for observation, fidelity in tracing the picture of the disease. Second is the chronic disease. It is described from the aphorism number 74 to 83. These type of disease are coming gradually, unlimited or long time suffering, not extinguished by vital force alone, no tendency to decline or recover, may continue through next generation, destroy the organism in the long run if they untreated. When the disease of chronic character, physician must take the following measures. The physician may leave the patient some days quite without medicine, or the meanwhile should administer placebo. Second thing, the physician should take up the case after a subsequent period of the time for the getting the purity of the symptom of old affection. For the investigation of the chronic case, physician should have special circumspection, tact, knowledge of human nature, patience in an eminent degree is important. Precaution and instruction for the physician should take care of during case taking. The symptoms should be written from the sources like patient complaint, attendant report, physician observation, present complaint, before complaint, his condition, past complaint, family history. These are the important factor for the case taking. Another information like the physical generals are the important, and another is the examination, different type of the examination and expressions of the organs. That is also important for the case taking. The exact expression used by the patient should be written down. Physician should not ask any direct question from the patient. Physician should not interrupt the patient while he is narrating his complaint. At last, physician should write his own observation about the case and should prescribe the remedy accordingly. In the field of repertory, case taking is the important method for the repertorization, because without the proper case taking, repertorization is not possible. In ancient era, Dr. Hippocrates he gives a concept of disease for whole man. According to him, physician task is to study the disease individual rather than the disease, the whole and not the part. Also, Paracelsus discuss about the disease. The dose makes the poison. For example, small doses of aspirin can be beneficial to a person, but at a very high dose, this common medicine can be deadly. In some individuals, even at a very low doses, aspirin may be the deadly. In 1796, Hahnemann gives the holistic idea for the treatment, that is the small doses, simple remedy and similar remedy. Understanding of the disease useful to the physician and assisting him to cure are the particular of the most probable existing cause for this acute disease, also the most significant points in the whole history of the chronic disease to enable him to discover the fundamental cause. Right now we can study the fundamental cause of the disease. There are three causes of the disease that is described by Dr. Hahnemann. First is SORA, second is psychosis, and third is the syphilis. These causes are important for the chronic disorders included in aphorism number 5, organ of medicine. What is the concept of disease? The concept of disease is physiological, psychological dysfunction. What is illness? Illness is a subjective state of the person who feels aware of not being well. And what is sickness? Is a social dysfunction, either the role that the individual assumes when ill. Basis of prescribing concept of indication. If the physician clearly perceives what is to be cured in disease, that is to say in the every individual case of the disease, that is included in aphorism number 3, knowledge of the disease in organon of medicine. Thank you.